So how do you make money on Pinterest anyways? Such an important topic. So in this video, I'm going to cover the main ways that you can create an income stream or several income streams from Pinterest, okay? So let's dive in. Number one, the first and most important way is by creating an email list based off of your free things. So whether your free things are blog posts or videos or downloadables or ebooks or whatever they are, if you have free things and either a call to action for them to sign up for more, or you are actually offering the free thing in exchange for an email address, growing your email list is a fantastic way to make you money, provided your emails are actually going to convert, okay? Number two, the number two way that you can make money off of Pinterest is with low dollar offers. Now, this is not necessarily for products people. Products people, you're different, but if you are a course creator or a coach or a consultant, these are the ways that you can make money off of Pinterest. So, number two way is with a really good pocket product. I know there's somebody out there has got that, she's kind of coined that term, but a product that's under $50 that you can send people to, that they can then sign up for and download or use or do whatever, okay? It's a really good way to get those low dollar things out into the ether and get them sold. Number three, if you have products, put them on Pinterest. This is for all of you products people. Remember I said number one and number two, probably not for products people. You're really not going to offer free things. You're probably not going to be offering low dollar info products, but you are offering products. Whether those products are low dollar or high dollar, put them on Pinterest. You would be shocked at how well products do on Pinterest. Again, I talk about this all the time. Pinterest is a visual search engine. So what are they doing on Pinterest? They are looking for things to buy. They are looking at pretty pictures of things that they want. Now, whether that thing is a product, maybe a ring or earrings or a shirt or a phone or a pen or whatever the thing is, okay? Maybe it's one of the things in the background here. Maybe it's artwork for their office or a singing bowl or shells or whatever it is, okay? Whatever it is that they want, they're looking for it. And they're looking for it on Pinterest because they are visual people. They're not Google people, and they maybe don't like Amazon that well. So they are on Pinterest, kind of browsing, kind of searching. If they find the right thing, they'll buy it. Pinterest has an amazing track record of people buying products. So go sell your products. If you are a coach or a consultant or whatever, find some affiliate stuff that is in your niche or niche adjacent and sell it. Amazon links are welcome on Pinterest. So pop your Amazon affiliate codes, and send people over to buy the most beautiful desk or the most beautiful widget or the most beautiful keyboard or mouse or laptop or book. If you have a book that they really need to read, pop in an affiliate link, make a pretty picture for it, call it a day. Yay! It's another way to make money. Now, another way that you can make money is to offer something that is like a free challenge or something like that, or into your Facebook group, if you have one, or into your YouTube channel. Again, these are the free things that you can offer, but I'm going into them a little bit more deeply in this part of the video, okay? So, for example, if you have a free Facebook group that you would love to have more people in, Facebook can be a little tricky to get people into your group. And it feels really slimy to be cold messaging people and saying, hey, you want to join my group? Hey, you want to join my group? Everybody's got a group. Kill me now. I am in like 60 groups and I don't want to join any of your Facebook groups. I'm really sorry about that, but I can't focus on the ones that I have, let alone all your other guys. Like, there's just too many. There's too much competition on Facebook for me to join extra Facebook groups. However, if I'm on Pinterest and I see a pin with really great copy and it's for something, for an outcome that I'm really desiring, okay? Maybe I really want to grow my YouTube channel and I want to have another 100 subscribers within the next 2 months. And this pin that I see on Pinterest is pointing to a Facebook group where it is all my ideal clients who are all willing or able or interested in subscribing to each other's YouTube channels and actually watching each other's videos. I would sign up for that in a heartbeat. I don't know about you guys, but I would sign up for that in a heartbeat because it would really speak to me, because it would be filling a need that I have or that I perceive that I have in the moment. Also, conversely, if you are a healer or you do some kind of healing or self-improvement coaching, or your Facebook group in pins with what their outcome could be from just joining that Facebook group, from being in your energy, and people who were in that who had that problem that you were trying to solve saw this pin, they would probably click on it and go join your Facebook group. Because why wouldn't they, right? It would only make sense that they would do that, that they would be like, yes, I want more of this. This is a problem that I have. You have the solution. Let me go find you and use your solution because I resonate with you. I hope that this makes a ton of sense for you. If it does, drop something in the comments below. Otherwise, have a fantastic day wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.